Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, access tab menu. In it, you need to find Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is definitely on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same shortcut again. Now you can always go into settings and tap on display section. If you want to, scroll all the way down and manage automatic screen rotation by tapping on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!